Hi, I'm Matthew with Garagistic. Thanks for joining me again on another Garagistic YouTube channel tip thing. Sorry. Today we're going to talk about DSSRs. What a DSSR is basically what BMW's solution was for their selector joint in their DTM E30 cars. And what it stands for is Double Shear Selector Rod. It's a fancy way of saying hold the selector joint by 2 different points. Your factory selector joint is held on by only 2 points. Well, this allows some side-to-side play when you're coming to shift. That basically is reflected in the shift knob by having a ton of side-to-side play. So that is basically eliminated when you run a DSSR. So it actually has 2 mounting points, so that way that selector joint is basically locked in there and that play is gone. So this is a great bang for buck item. Definitely worth it when you're rebuilding your shifter. It takes a lot of side to side to play out. Definitely nice, crisp, clean clicks of the shifter. So definitely something that's worth doing. It is fully bolt up. It does have comes with pins and everything needed for installation. And every time we build one, we build it to factory spec. So as you can see, we don't miss with the DSSRs because we correspond with BMW factory numbers. So easiest way to order is to go on the website, put in your part number for your selector joint and hit search, and our part numbers correspond with that. If you don't know what selector joint your car requires, or if you're doing a manual conversion or a motor swap or whatever it may be, all you gotta do is email us, send the last 7 of your VIN number to info@garagistic.com, and we will look it up for you to see what came in your car from the factory. And that's a great way to make sure that you get something, you don't take the car apart only to find out you don't have what's needed, or it's the wrong length, or there's 3 different selector joints for your car. We eliminate a lot of that. So that's a great upgrade. Now, a common one, a couple of common DSSRs that we sell are the E36 M3, E36 325, the E46. This is an M42 E30 DSSR, very popular. And we have about 45 DSSRs at this point. So if you don't see what you need, definitely let us know. We've fixtured enough to be able to make custom DSSRs as well. We can do any length, bending, all that. We do everything in-house in the United States. So we definitely have full control of manufacturing, and we can bring this item to the market. So let us know if there's some weird engine combo that you require. We can get it done. A very common motor swap that we basically pre-sell a kit for is any of the dual overhead cam motors, M50, S50, S52, that use the JetRag 260. JetRag 260 is basically a transmission found stock in your 325i. So basically, some people can want to use that transmission behind the dual overhead cam motor, and they can do that with our transmission brace and our DSSR. So this transmission brace will actually rotate to accommodate the transmission angle of the newer motor in the car, and the DSSR does the same thing as well. So it's twisted 10 degrees for this exact motor swap. The 10-degree twist will end up making it so that your shift rod is centered inside of your car, so there's no weird twist or anything like that. So these are definitely a great product. There's going to be links in the bottom for all of these, so definitely let us know what you think. Check out the links below. We're going to go ahead and link a search page that finds all of the DSSRs, but if you need something specific, definitely shoot us an email. Thanks for watching.